Well, nice day, no? Yeah. When this airplane is too fun, right? Yep. I know, right? Oh, we need to stop because we are going to move much. Why we are hearing the airplane sound? Where the heck is that airplane? Up? Wait, no. Just losing a little bit speed because I wanna know where's that airplane? It's up. Where the heck is that airplane? Well, I don't know. Pilot? Yeah? Is something wrong? Wait, airplane is right there. Oh, thank you for the idea. Why there are two airplanes? Because they are. Oh, okay. Well, what should we do? I don't know. Should we just go forward? Uh, if you want to, yeah, we can do this. Thank you. No problem. Well, yeah, what is it? This is long. What is long? To ride up the same line? No, not long. We did. Uh, how did? How the? No, I don't know. Hmm. So yeah, you see, we have so much speed, but why we don't catch the turbo lines? That airplane on the forward? Yep. We don't know. This is absolutely weird. Yeah, I'm telling this is weird, right? Yep. Why we are talking so much? Well, I don't know because this airplane is looking interesting. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. But don't worry, because...